Hi everyone, I'm Priyanka and you welcome to the Terrace Kitchen. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make street style triple decker sandwich. So let's get started. Heat a kadhai or a pan and add around 2 teaspoon oil. Once the oil becomes hot, add roughly chopped onion, one small sized. Saute the onion for 5 to 7 seconds at high flame. Then add 1/4 cup red bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, 1 small size chopped capsicum, 1/4 cup sweet corn, and salt as per taste. If you do not have red and yellow bell pepper, you can replace them with capsicum or your favorite vegetable. Next, add 1/4 teaspoon red chilli powder and mix well. Do not overcook the vegetables. They should be slightly sauteed, not overcooked. Take around 2 tablespoons mayonnaise. Then add 2 teaspoons red chilli sauce. You may add more red chilli sauce if you like it. Give it a good mix. Our delicious sauce for sandwich is ready. Let's move to the next step. Here I've taken 3 bread slices, big sized bread slices. Apply a thin layer of butter. We are going to apply a layer of butter on every bread slice, so make sure you apply a thin layer. Place the buttered side down on your pizza plate or your baking plate. Again, apply a thin layer of butter. Add the prepared sauce, that is mayo plus red chilli sauce. Spread it evenly. Place some vegetable stuffing. Some mozzarella cheese. Do not add a lot of mozzarella cheese. It should be enough to keep 2 breads together, to hold them together, because as the cheese would melt, it would glue the bread slices together. Again, a thin layer of butter. Some plain mayonnaise. Spread it evenly. Add a second layer of vegetables. Next, again some mozzarella cheese, so do not add a lot, little amount of cheese will work. And final layer, that is a third slice of bread, a thin layer of butter and a thin layer of mayonnaise. Add some mozzarella cheese on top. If you do not have mozzarella, you can add processed cheese or any other type of cheese that is available. Some chili flakes on top. If you do not have chili flakes, you can sprinkle some red chilli powder. You can see the OTG or convection instructions on the screen. But today I'm going to bake these without OTG or convection. I've preheated my pan. It has got some salt and a stand. So I have preheated it at medium flame for 10 minutes. And now I'm going to bake this for 10 to 12 minutes. If the cheese doesn't melt within this time, keep it for a little longer duration, and once the cheese melts, take the sandwich out. Add some extra virgin olive oil if you like it, and finally add some mixed Italian herbs and red chilli powder. These steps are optional. Look at the delicious loaded sandwich. Look at the nice golden brown toasted bread. It's crispy and soft inside, very delicious. If you like this recipe, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the Terrace Kitchen for more such wonderful recipes. Give this recipe a try and enjoy!